What's going on, guys? Make money online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. Nowadays most of the people are searching different types of working categories to ensure extra cash from any corner of the world. But remember, they don't have any skill or experience to get started on online to ensure extra cash. But I recommend you to start a journey on YouTube to make a YouTube channel on a specific category or niche. But if you don't have any knowledge, I think so. Uh, I Today I want to share how to create a video without any types of knowledge or experiences on just copy and paste videos to ensure 500 to $800 per day easily by following different types of strategy from this video. So before starting this video, I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. If you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share, and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, if you are a newbie, just subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you have a specific question, just come to my comment box and comment, please. So let's get started. All right, this is first fame. First fame is number one of the best uh, channel, I mean YouTube channel on online. You can create like this uh, channel on gaming. I mean, if you don't have any gaming knowledge or experience or skill, just follow this video step by step. You can create a gaming video to upload for monetization from YouTube to ensure extra cash from any corner of the world. This guy has earning more and more. Just I'm sharing after a few minutes. This guy is earning more and more from this only one channel. I mean, his subscriber is 1.04 million, and this one is another channel. This is called PewDiePie. This one is funny channel. I think this guy is also earning more and more from YouTube after completing the monetization. See, third one is called Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is a another famous or popular YouTube channel, and most of the people are getting lots of knowledges from MrBeast.com. You can create a gaming video for uploading on your new or brand new YouTube channel. If you don't have any gaming skill or experience, just follow this video step by step. Now I would like to share another one. This one is best Fortnite chaos. There are lots of channels and videos over here, and the top 50 Fortnite EP kills plays and moments Fortnite fails to MTF, and this one is PCC trolling channel's name and 8.3 million views over here. And this one is another channel, more and more channels over here, and is as you can see, and you can create like this video by following this step uh, from this video over here. And now I like to share another one. If you come to this social blade and just search about first fame, you will be able to get lots of earning statistics or informations from this socialblade.com. And this guy is earning 500 to $8,000 per month from only one channel. Boom! This is the easiest way you can create this channel for uploading the gaming video we here. So this one is the first fame channel name. And now I like to share how you will create a video, just a copy and paste videos easily for your new YouTube channel for uploading on your brand new channel. So if you come to this another website, this is called twice.tv. Twice.tv, just search on ninja.com, and there are lots of latest or streaming videos are uploading on this website. Here you can get this video from here, and just search this ninja, and If you just click on this ninja over here, and this one is another video, and this one is a live video over here, and you can source from this video over here. And just click on this, and after clicking on this you have to copy this URL from here, and you can source any types of videos from tools.tv easily for editing for your YouTube channel, I mean brand in your YouTube channel. After copying this one, you have to come to this another website. This is called ontwist.com. Ontwist.com, just paste over here and then submit of this video URL on this website, I think. So after coming here, you can choose the time. This one is the bar. You can choose from the time over here. Total, you can choose the time from here, and this one is the total timing, and you can download a video on your device easily from here. So boom, this is the best trick, I think, for using on trees for getting or clipping any types of video portion for your YouTube channel. I think after downloading this option, downloading this video from this com, come to this editing software, I think openshot.org. Yeah, as a beginner, I recommend you to use this openshot.org for editing that video well, that which you have downloaded from this twist.tv.com. And then what should you do after editing this video on openshot.org? Now you have to upload on your new YouTube channel. And after uploading this one, you have to use this bitiq.com for any types of tag, which type of tag you have to use, but remember you have to use this types of tag from here, like this tag from here, ninja, Fortnite ninja, this one. You can use this free tool, I mean bitiq.com, for searching any types of video related tag on bitiq.com. And then what should you do? You can use canva.com for your video thumbnail. This one is called a thumbnail. Now I like to share another one. This one is my channel, and if I come to this channel, this one is called thumbnail. How you will create this I can see thumbnail for your brand new YouTube channel. This is the best and easiest way to create your any types of thumbnail on canva.com. Just create your account on canva.com, and then you have to search like this YouTube uh, channel art over here, and on the other hand you can source from here thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail over here. You can source from here, I mean on canva.com. There are lots of template over here. You can source this one easily from this canva.com, and just edit from here of your YouTube video like this. After creating this one, just click on this download, and boom, you can use this ready-made template on your brand in YouTube channel. This one is the best and easiest way to create your YouTube video without any types of hesitation or without any types of experience on gaming video, I think. So step by step follow this video to create your account for monetization your channel, for ensuring extra cash from any corner of the world without any types of hesitation. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. On the other hand, if you are new, just subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.